What's up everybody, welcome to my channel. This is an introductory video that I should have made a couple of weeks ago when I started my channel. Nevertheless, I'm doing it now, so for those who are new, welcome to the channel, and for those who are already subscribed, I'm happy to have you here. My name is Alex, and as a 26-year-old digital technology professional, entrepreneur and investor with a keen interest in innovative digital technologies and real estate, I created this channel to share my personal experiences, failures and successes building startups, investing in real estate, and eventually creating more personal wealth. And on this channel, I will focus on main three key topics. Number 1 is personal finance, number 2 is real estate, and finally number 3 is going to be digital startups. Here you will find the most up-to-date information on how to manage your personal finances, investments, and set up various income streams, while also traveling the world and showing you how you can get more global opportunities. I started my career at Shell in London, worked also in investment banking, management consultancy, and eventually ended up working in digital technology. But for more information about my professional career and growth, feel free to add me on LinkedIn at Algorithm, and at the same name follow me on Instagram for everyday life. Besides the main three key topics, I'm also very passionate about extreme sports such as surfing, snowboarding, and motorbike riding, so expect some cool content on that too. Finally, I really hope that you find my videos helpful and inspirational maybe to some, and if you do so, then please leave a comment below, subscribe and smash the thumbs up button to keep the YouTube algorithm going, and I will try my best to release videos every single week on good content that will help you grow. Have a wonderful week ahead and see you in the next videos.